Hello again. A community member was so kind to send me his PMR 171 so I can use it for testing and comparing. I will be using the same setup from my last video. Please check the video description for the link and some other details. Now, a quick setup check to show that there's actually no problem. So I started with 100 watt, but I will go to 20 watt, which is the power of the other devices. My plan was to do voice recordings as usual, but I was curious and I transmitted some music to see how it sounds. And yes, I was really surprised, so now I decided to make this video with music instead. I will use a piano song I recorded myself to avoid some copyright issues. So now, listen. Yes, at the end I just lower the volume on the mixer, so you will see later why. Now I will proceed with a PMR 171, so you see the newest firmware is installed, and I will show you the used settings which are recommended by Guohetec: gain 50 and bass and treble. Now let's start with music. I will start slowly to raise the volume so you hear what happens. Also watch the power meter and the audio meter from the device, so you see the distortion is not coming from a too high level of the signal. Now beginning slowly. And now I will fade out again. And you hear actually it's kind of clear. I will do the same with other gain settings. Oh no, not again. Now when I use the turning up, actually it's going left right instead of up down. So we'll have to use the arrow keys. Also help them sometimes. And now once more. Now I will do the same with my Q900, as you see, also newest firmware installed. And I will use the same settings. You can hear the loud noise that is transmitted. So now, these are the recommended settings. Now let's start the music. The noise will get a little bit lower as soon as the volume raises. And now actually at this level it's okay, but there's no power output there. Now I will do the same with lower gain. So now noise level, and now lower gain, and you see the bass and treble neutral. Let's start the music once more. So now I must say, while fading in, actually the Q900 was better than the PMR, but while fading out it's the same. To show that there is no problem with the input level, I will do one recording with a wide FM mode. So these are the settings. Now let's start the music once more. Now I went a little higher on purpose to show where the limit is, where distortions from input starts. Thanks for watching this video with my unusual way of testing the radios, but I think the music showed even more the distortion problem of these Guohetec devices.